we're going back to the debate, and just 5 minutes of this debate, we'll give a second opportunity for the BJP representative, who I think made a mistake there by saying that he endorses the views of the RSS. Now, sir, you tell me there can't be two maps of India. You have to have one map of India. So presumably you believe this map of India of the RSS is the wrong map of India. All I want you to hear from you on television, in your words, in your voice, is that the RSS map of India, which is being pushed in these textbooks by the Gujarat government in all school textbooks, is terribly wrong, and maybe it will be a good thing to remove that map. You see, Mr. Trivedi, will you say that?
There are two types of maps.
How can there be two types of maps of one country? There is one country, one map.
Yeah, let me complete. One is a cultural and one is a political.
What is this?
I have asked,
Sir,
if you take the Mahabharata is the part of the cultural India, but not the part of the geographical India. And those who are not having courage to have Jammu Kashmir in the map of India and Arunachal Pradesh in the map of India are telling the BJP a lesson.
So what are you saying?
I think both on political aspect and on the cultural aspect. I've already given the example of national anthem. There is nothing logic left in saying this. I'm not endorsing that view. But there are two things. One is a cultural, another is a political thing. Like the 22 Arab countries are 22 countries are one cultural entity. Like the Western Europe is one cultural entity. So Indian subcontinent is one cultural entity. We share a common culture, common language, common way of thinking.
But you confuse the whole thing. No, one at a time. One at a time will counter. One of you at a time will counter him. One at a time will counter him. Who goes first? Sanjay Jha. Sanjay Jha is countering.
सुधांशु जी, कल यदि पाकिस्तान में कल कोई उनके जो शिक्षा मंत्री हैं वो भारत को कहेंगे कि वो पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा है, तो आप उसके साथ ठीक है? आपको वो उचित लगेगा? यू थिंक दैट इज अप्रोप्रिएट? इज बीजेपी ओके विद दैट? दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू आर डूइंग.
मान्यवर, पाकिस्तान भारत का हिस्सा था. भारत पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा कब था? इस ढंग का प्रश्न आपको करते समय स्वयं आत्मावलोकन करना चाहिए. You should have introspect of asking this type of abstract question.
Actually, sir, this is a strange argument. What? I
am talking about cultural. Do India, Pakistan not share the same cultural thing, the same language, same eating habits?
Sir, you know,
so many same cultural music and other things.
यही भाजपा का प्रचार है.
Arnab ji, we all respect your commitment to secularism, but you are over-reading into it.
No, 1 second. No, you see, you can. No.
Actually, there is a complete flaw in thinking of the concept of Indian nation, which was very well understood by Mahatma Gandhi. But their so-called champions of the thoughts of Mahatma Gandhi, Congress, have routed their entire concept.
And cultural prime minister is Mr. Bhagavat.
No political prime minister. Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan and Mr. Sanjay Jha. I would like to quote just Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi's entire political vision was Ram Rajya.
Sir, I want to
Bhajan was Raghupathi Raghav Rajaraman. Last submission was Hey Ram. But your Congress government, after 67 years, given an affidavit that Ram was an imaginary factor.
Sir, I would like to point out to you,
that you should be ashamed of. Congress gradually became ashamed of calling themselves of the core Indian identity, which Mahatma Gandhi was having.
I will only tell you
somehow their followers have totally denied this.
Mr. Trivedi,
so there is a long continuing debate on the concept of India, on which
you know
the Marx and Macaulay school of thought is standing on one side.
You can.
We all respect your commitment to secularism, but I am afraid you are over-reading into many things.
No, I am.
BJP is the only pure secular party of India. And the concept of Indianness, Bharatiyata or Hindu is the sole
commitment to appeasement of the RSS,
secularism,
which is making him speak in this manner.
Killers of Gandhi, you are the abusers of Gandhi. Mr. Sanjay Jha, the RSS BJP killed
now 1 minute. Don't go away from the debate, and I'm coming back into it. Gentlemen, 1 minute. Let me come in, please. 1 minute. Point is this. Please understand. Mr. Trivedi, you see, 1 second, please. Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan, now I have to move to debate number 2. The question is this. The question is this. No, 1 second. 1 minute, please. 1 minute, please, gentlemen. 1 minute. You see, Dinanath Batra.
Culturally, Bangladesh and West Bengal is having so many common things.
Yeah.
So culturally there may be one unity, politically they are different.
Yes.
So political map is one and the cultural map is different.
Okay, so,
can you say
so
that West
tomorrow,
Bengal and Bangladesh are
so
different?
tomorrow, no,
By
but
language,
the
bearing,
newfound
clothing,
concept of
eating habits,
cultural
everything
map.
same.
no, so culturally we are culturally many countries. No, one second. तो आप तो फिर redraw कीजिए ना. आपके लॉजिक से there are many countries in Southeast Asia which are also culturally they have many links with India. Bring them in. Why did you forget Mauritius? 1 minute. One second. Culturally we have a lot in common with Mauritius. You should no. 1 second. I would like to tell Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Indonesia, Bali has majority.
No, Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, please call up Mohan Bhagwat ji and Dinanath Batra today and say आपकी से गलती हो गई. आपको मॉरिशस को भी इंक्लूड करना चाहिए, इंडोनेशिया को इंक्लूड कीजिए, बाली को इंक्लूड कीजिए, जावा को इंक्लूड कीजिए, अखंड भारत तो और भी बड़ा होना चाहिए. मगर आपको एक बात बता दूं और ये आपको मैं डराने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहा. नहीं, आपको मैं डराने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहा.
Chinese thinker
Sir,
who was a vice chancellor of Peking University.
Sir,
who has used a word that
No.
India has culturally dominated and controlled
Sir.
China for more than 2,000 years without sending a single soldier across the
Sir,
border.
now you include
This is a
China
beauty of
also in the
India and
map.
Indianness.
Sir,
We
you
not
do
want
what
to
you
control
want
the
in your-
countries. We want to
Sir,
control the
no,
hearts.
Mr.
Sorry, Mr.
I would like to quote from the couplet of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. कि होकर स्वतंत्र मैंने कब चाहा मैं कर लूं जग को
Who
गुलाम.
was stopping you
तू
from
भाग
telling
नहीं,
the
शत शत
students
मानव
that
के
the
हृदय
Indian
जीतने का
culture is
निश्चय.
so popular
हिंदू तन मन,
that
हिंदू
it has
जीवन,
spread
रग रग हिंदू में
across
रग.
the world?
I think this is a very interesting debate because it brings the moot issue at hand. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me one. By the way, you know, I want to say under the Criminal Law Amendment Act 1961, changing India's map is a criminal offence punishable by 6 months or fine or both. But the big question is this. You see, Rahul Ishwar, please understand one thing. Don't bring this secularism into everything. I know you like to argue on the secularism issue. This is about my country, you see. This is about my constitution. I will not let a bunch of fringe fanatics take over the country. I am asking today, what takes precedence? The Constitution of India or Dinanath Batra's idea of India? The Constitution of India or RSS idea of India? Definitely. The Constitution, 1 minute, the Constitution of India or Mohan Bhagat's view of India? Because Article 1 of the Indian Constitution, Article 1, Rahul Ishwar, which you probably have not read, says that India, that is Bharat, will be an union of states. It also says the territory of India shall consist of the territory of the states, the union territories, and any territory that may be acquired. In the RSS viewpoint, I don't know which world they are in, China and all these countries are also countries they have acquired. You can have any, you can have any warped up view of the world. But the fact is, you can't put that warped up, medieval, constructed, some, crazy view of the world. You can't put that into textbooks and then if you put those on textbooks, put them in the RSS shakas. You can't put those books in government schools all over as part of the curriculum. You can't do it, sir. There is only one map of India. One map of India, one constitution of India, one map of India. One map of India, not two maps of India.
Let me complete one sentence.
There is no doubt.
This type of curriculum that Congress was
There is no doubt that Constitution is supreme. There is no doubt that the modern idea of India should be there.
They were saying
and you have mentioned many organizations.
They were saying that Shivaji has looted Surat. They were saying Chandrasekhar Azad was the terrorist. We approve this type of history.
Sir, you are saying, no, 1 minute. This is ridiculous. This is a ridiculous argument.
Us are now these people to be ashamed of telling this type of history to the country.
Sudhanshuji, I will only ask one question to you. I will ask one question to you. I will ask one question to you.
Taught in the schools since 60
I will ask one question to you.
It is shame on us for being independent country and
we are a modern nation
future generation this type of history.
more than 5,000
I will ask
years.
one question to
And
you.
Guru Tegh Bahadur has created a law and order problem. This is written in the NCERT book.
I ask you. See,
And nobody is asking any question.
This is not the subject of discussion.
I challenge to this
This is not
concept
the
of history
subject
and
of
concept of
discussion.
And one more thing.
This is
which
not
is
the
again more
subject of
Macaulay
discussion.
school of thought.
There may be distortions and deviations when history is written from a left paradigm and a right
Naipaul, who's a
paradigm.
Nobel
We can have
Prize
a
winner,
debate
has said
and a
India is
consensus
the only
of it.
country in the
But
world.
remember, India is an ancient notion and an ancient civilization. We
Gentlemen,
have to include our civilizational values in it. If there are points of debate, we can have it.
Okay, now, so can I just summarize in a short sentence what the view of the BJP, which by the way, it appears the BJP endorses the view of the RSS. By that logic, therefore, the BJP believes in the following.
We are saying cultural and political are two different.
I am also saying, no, this is your belief. Okay, so the BJP's cultural belief.
We stick with the political standards.
So Sudhanshu Trivedi, let me use your
political
words.
commitments.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, let me use your words as per your views, which are your cultural views, the cultural views of the BJP are that people should not blow candles on cakes. The cultural view of the BJP
This is not BJP view.
is that Myanmar and China and are all part of India. The cultural view of the BJP is that August 14th, Pakistan's
this is not the view
Independence
of-
Day
You
should
are
be
trying to
celebrated as
understand the
Akhand Bharat Smriti Divas, because that also is what Dinanath Mitra believes.
also the cultural
I want
view
to
of
if I have a choice, I'll tell you. If I have a choice between two views of the world, one is Ambedkar's view of the world as per what is in the Constitution of India, or Dinanath Batra's view of the world. Mr. Trivedi, you can choose Dinanath Batra, I'll choose Ambedkar's view of the world. You can use your map,
You are
I choose my
unnecessarily
map.
pitting those two against each other.
Well, it's not
The
pitting.
other way,
It's
The-
not
on
one
the
is the
pitting.
birth-
Macaulay
on the
view of
birthday
the
of
world, the
Advani
Marxist
ji.
school of the world,
On the
and Indian
birthday
school
of
of the world.
Advani ji.
We represent Indian school of the world.
I-
on the
and-
birth-
We are
भारतीय
all
में
on
विश्वास
Ambedkar ji's
रखते हैं।
views, Vivekanand
You are
Das
not
views and
tying
Gandhi
yourself
ji's
up in
views.
knots,
Merger
sir.
and acquisition
No,
with
no.
the BJP.
Okay,
This is
gentlemen.
established
Arnab,
beyond
on the
doubt.
birthday of
The first
Advani ji,
NMAD
on the birthday
merger
of
and
Advani
acquisition
ji,
of the
they cut
BJP
the
by the
cake and
RSS
put a
is complete.
candle. I joined the birthday of late Dr. J.P. Mathur, BJP leader. His birthday was celebrated in BJP office, and there was a candle and cake was cut. I don't know what type of things BJP people are talking.
It's a crime, sir. The BJP should immediately stop cutting cakes with candles, because that's an extremely
We are not
non-Indian
saying
thing
this
to
is
do.
totally rubbish.
And-
Do not
and-
oppose the candle or cake or other things.
What?
That is the personal wish of anybody who wants to celebrate
it is in the
whatever way,
textbook.
in which the Indianness of
But it is
concept
in
of
the
Hindu is very,
textbook.
benevolent.
But it is in the
This is the height
textbook
of
being
benevolence
celebrated,
which
being
reflects in
circulated in
Indianness.
Gujarat government schools. It is in a book. Don't blow candles. Do a havan, pray to Ishtadev and feed cows, and wear Swadeshi clothes. Now, if that was your RSS view, you see, this is in your textbooks. I think you should go and check the school libraries of what is being circulated in Gujarat. Sudhanshu Trivedi, you're not totally convinced. You're only
They say
trying to convince
don't
yourself.
use
I thank you all.
pant shirts also.
I thank you
Don't
all for
use
joining
pant
me on
shirts.
debate number 1.